I'm supporting CRISP is an organization, Child Rights Initiative on Shared Parenting. We are the supporters, one of the NGO, and we have a voluntary group. In the voluntary group, we consist of mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, both sides of the parties, all the people. We fight for the justice, we fight for the truth, for the child parenting. The concept of the child parenting is, it should be a shared parenting. Nowadays actually the divorce cases and separation cases are more because of the 498A, false DV acts and false rape cases. All this click women to take away the child from the father. So child custody, because of the child custody rights, what we are looking at is the shared parenting concept we should implement and establish in the society. There should not be fatherless society. It should be a father society. If you see the civilizations in the world, take any civilization, Egyptian civilization, Mayan civilization, and Angkor Wat civilization, Indus Valley civilization, all the civilizations based on the family concept, father, mother, children. All this consist of the family, and when family is growing, civilization will grow. Civilization growing, then automatically India will country will develop. When country will develop, the economical condition, political condition, all the conditions, medical facilities, everything will be grow. Then the people will live happily. But what happening nowadays? Nowadays it is happening actually, government given so many cases, so many acts which is favor to women. That is Domestic Violence Act 498A. The people, real sufferers are not using this this anvastras. The people whoever wanted to take revenge on husband, for simple reasons actually, the perfume not bought, 5,000 rupees perfume not bought by the husband, then immediately the woman go for the DV act filing, that is a domestic violence, and she is not very much comfortable in sex, then immediately she will make one case, she is tired, that is the way actually. But how long this matrimonial disputes will come into a full stop? Only when government come into the picture and they will take action, they will do amendments in the acts, then the justice given for the man. Okay, see, normally the matrimonial issues are very small and silly reasons actually. Wife and husband, they normally fight, that is a universal thing. But it went to the parents, both sides the parents. When both sides the parents actually not able to separate that particular dispute, then it will go up to the level of relatives. Then immediately within the relatives actually, who are the marriage elders, all together sit, talk, okay, these are the issues by the father, these are the issues by the mother, and this should be settled like in that way. No, they are not having that much tolerance, that much patience. Immediately they will go for the court, they will go for the police. Tamil Nadu is the #1 domestic violence cases highest in India. That's around some 30,000 cases are going on. Okay, all these cases actually, 97% of the cases actually only asking for the dowry or asking for the physical harassment, like that. There is a standard format. If you see Taxman book, Domestic Violence Act, there is a page 118. It will give the standard form. These are the dress appearance. It's not good. And the women actually who are sexual violence. These are the standard format. Now class 1, class 2, class 3. Like that, the women, they will copy, paste, and they will put in the petition. They will file in the court. That is the thing happening actually. How you can judge the matrimonial life, it is whether it is good or not. That matrimonial life good or not, that one should check by looking at the matrimonial life of both the people actually. Nowadays everybody educated, all are working in the MNCs, so both sides they need to think, and society has to develop the maturity. Nowadays no youngster asking for the dowry, no young people asking for any other things from the woman family, because everyone supportive, everyone having the broad mindset actually, how to live their own life. That is the thing. So in this CRISP actually, for the Father's Day Eve, what we are doing is actually, we are telling our demands to the government to enter into our lives to give the justice. The one thing actually the women cell and children welfare cell, both are in the same ministry. That should be separated. There should be different ministries has to handle this different domains. At the same time, child is the person actually. He is equivalent to God actually. He doesn't have the voice to raise what mistake happened to the child actually. Mother need their parents, father need his parents, What about the child? Child also requires his or her parents. That is the importance of the father. Okay, Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava. These are told by Vedas. Okay, nowadays it is not happening. At the same time, what are the petition taken from the child? The child custody laws, definitely they have to set up the guardian courts in cities. So by having that guardian, it is a special case. Child is a special case. Child should be given justice immediately. So in the guardian courts, actually, they should dispose this case as early as possible within 6 months. That is the time actually what we are expecting. So there should not be any false cases. The one thing is actually it should be a mistake proof. Okay, when you are inserting your ATM code in the ATM machine, it will reject if you are putting in wrong direction. Then immediately, what you wanted to see in the same type, any wrong petition made by anybody in the court has to reject. The system should be improved that much maturity level, and the same thing should be understood by the justice and judicial departments. And this is the false case actually. We should not take it seriously. So there should be a primary investigation where the guy has wrong or the woman has wrong. That should be an initial study. After that one only they have to take into the judicial department. Okay, these are the things actually what we are expecting from this Father's Day.